Hello gamers, developers, and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel AI Innovations Unleashed. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the GameCraft Wizard, a platform that's revolutionizing game development with AI. GameCraft Wizard isn't just another tool, it's your creative partner in game design, speaking in a tone that's encouraging, supportive, and oh so creative. Let's explore how GameCraft Wizard uses open-ended questions, suggestive guidance, and a dash of wit to help you craft your gaming masterpiece. Notice how it uses game-related puns and a narrative flair? This isn't just coding, it's an adventure in game creation, and it gets better. Advanced tutorials that adapt to your input, offering personalized learning in level design, character development, and much more. GameCraft Wizard isn't working alone. It taps into the power of APIs from Khan Academy, Coursera, and even gamification platforms like Duolingo. It's like having a personal AI mentor, thanks to Clearbit for user profiling and Tradeify for personality assessments. And the community aspect? Simply mind-blowing. Integration with platforms like LinkedIn, Meetup, and even Stack Exchange takes collaboration to the next level. Accessibility is key here. With tools like the WCAG API and JAWS API, GameCraft Wizard ensures everyone is part of the game development journey. And it's empathetic too. With emotion recognition and sentiment analysis, your games can truly connect with players. GameCraft Wizard is your gateway to crafting games that are not just fun, but are experiences. So, are you ready to unleash your creativity with AI? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications for more amazing content. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into the GameCraft Wizard's magic. Game on and innovate away. Subscribe and turn on notifications for AI Innovations Unleashed to stay ahead in the game of AI and game development. Get ready to transform your creative visions into gaming realities with GameCraft Wizard. Let's unleash the magic together.